If you are looking for a platform to build an online community, run courses, host events, and engage members in one place, you have probably come across Heartbeat. But is it really the best community platform in 2026? In this video, we will quickly cover Heartbeat's features, pros, cons, and whether it's worth your money or not. What is Heartbeat? Heartbeat is an all in one community platform designed for creators, coaches, startups, and businesses. It combines community discussions, live events, courses, chat, and member management into a single platform. The goal is simple: replace multiple tools like Facebook groups, Slack, Discord, Zoom, and course platforms with one centralized solution. Key features: community spaces. You can create dedicated spaces for discussions, announcements, networking, and specific topics, making it easy to organize conversations. Courses and learning. Heartbeat lets you build and host courses directly inside your community so members can learn and interact without switching platforms. Events and live sessions. You can schedule webinars, workshops, group calls, and community events with built in event management tools. Chat and messaging. Members can communicate through direct messages and group chats, helping increase engagement. Member directory. The platform includes member profiles and networking features, making it easier for community members to connect. Mobile access. Heartbeat offers mobile apps so members can stay active on the go. Pros: clean and modern user interface, combines community courses, events, and chat in one platform, easy setup for beginners, strong networking and member discovery features, helps reduce the need for multiple subscriptions and tools, good engagement focused design. Cons: pricing can become expensive for larger communities, fewer third party integrations compared to some competitors, less customizable than platforms built specifically for advanced communities. Some users may miss the flexibility of Discord or Slack. Who should use Heartbeat? Heartbeat is a great choice for coaches and consultants, online courses creators, membership communities, startup founder communities, professional networking groups. However, if you need highly advanced customization or enterprise level integrations, alternatives like Circle, Mighty Networks, or Slack may be worth considering. Final verdict. So, is Heartbeat the best community platform? For creators and businesses that want an easy to use all in one solution, Heartbeat is definitely one of the strongest options available. It successfully combines community building, courses, events, and networking into a single platform. While it may not be the perfect fit for every organization, its simplicity and feature set make it an excellent choice for most community builders. Overall rating 8.8 out of 10. If you are looking for a modern platform that keeps everything under one roof, Heartbeat is absolutely worth checking out. And that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching, and do not forget to like, subscribe, comment, share, and goodbye.